Don't be fooled by its small size, it has tremendous energy. Mingbo Small Excavator is designed for precision operations. Precise control enables easy completion of delicate tasks such as indoor demolition and orchard excavation, extended arm options to expand more application scenarios, imported core components with low failure rate and long lifespan, small investment, high return, flexible customization to meet your personalized needs, the first choice for entrepreneurial orders. Welcome to sample negotiation.